Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has arrived to set new standards in the world of smartphones. Boasting a refreshed hinge design and an upgraded processor, this device promises to be one of the top contenders for the best foldable phone of the year. Undoubtedly a premium offering, it comes with a price tag to match. As we aim to make the most of this cutting-edge phone, we've curated a selection of essential accessories that will undoubtedly elevate your Galaxy Z Fold 5 experience.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
Get the newest user experience of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the TORRAS magnetic case. With its cutting-edge held-back array technology, this case creates an unparalleled connection with MagSafe accessories. Even if your Z Fold 5 lacks magnetic capabilities, this innovative case enables you to enjoy the convenience of using magnetic accessories effortlessly. Fearlessly take on the day with confidence, as this case has passed rigorous military-grade shockproof certification, guaranteeing its ability to withstand over 8,000 drops from a staggering 10-foot height. Your device will be shielded against severe shocks with TORRAS's patented X-Shock technology on all 4 corners. Worried about scratches? Rest assured, the case comes equipped with raised 1.5mm lips around the screen and camera, providing the ultimate protection against unwanted blemishes. For the creative souls, the built-in S Pen holder allows you to unleash your productivity and creativity by effortlessly accessing your S Pen whenever inspiration strikes, letting you scribble and jot down ideas at any moment. As the TORRAS magnetic case grants you the incredible opportunity to use MagSafe accessories seamlessly. For a convenient and efficient wireless charging solution, we recommend pairing it with the Anker Mag Go. The Anker Mag Go is a compact 10,000 mAh battery pack specifically designed to power up your Galaxy Z Fold 5 wirelessly. With its generous power capacity, you can rest assured that your device will have enough juice to keep it going all day long. Experience a safe and reliable wireless charging process with the Anker Mag Go's perfectly aligned strong magnets, ensuring a secure and constant charge wherever you need it. The 20-watt power output delivers high-speed charging so you can quickly get back to using your device without unnecessary delays. Additionally, the practical foldable stand feature lets you prop up your phone effortlessly, allowing for easy hands-free viewing of your favorite content. Embrace the convenience of wireless charging and elevate your Galaxy Z Fold 5 experience with the Anker Mag Go. Say goodbye to cumbersome cables and embrace the power of magnetic wireless charging technology. Now, we have S Pen Fold Edition for your Galaxy Z Fold 5. The most interesting part is you can keep it safe with the TORRAS magnetic case, as it comes with a built-in S Pen holder. Samsung has ingeniously crafted the Galaxy S Pen Fold Edition tailored specifically to complement the newer generations of fold phones, including the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The S Pen draws its power directly from your phone screen through electromagnetic resistance. This means no need for batteries or charging, it's always ready to go wherever you need it. Also, the S Pen Fold Edition is designed to fit naturally in your hand, allowing you to write, draw, and create for extended periods without any discomfort. With a slim 1.5mm pen tip and an impressive 4096 pressure level, you can enjoy a remarkably natural and precise writing and sketching experience, replicating the feeling of putting pen to paper. Whether you're jotting down notes, expressing your creativity through artwork, or simply navigating your device, the S Pen Fold Edition ensures every stroke is smooth and accurate. Unleash your creativity and productivity with the S Pen Fold Edition, which is a powerful tool that complements the Galaxy Z Fold 5 seamlessly. It's time to protect your Galaxy Z Fold 5 with the Spigen tempered glass. This front screen glass protector is designed with durability in mind, boasting an impressive 9H hardness rating to withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring optimum protection against scratches and minor impacts. Say goodbye to bothersome fingerprints, as the Spigen tempered glass comes equipped with an oleophobic coating that effectively repels oils and smudges. Enjoy a crystal clear viewing experience, as the protector's extreme clarity preserves the original brightness and sharpness of your device's screen. Worried about the application process? Fear not. The Spigen tempered glass includes an innovative auto-alignment installation kit, making the front screen application a breeze. Achieve a seamless, bubble-free installation effortlessly, ensuring your Galaxy Z Fold 5 screen remains pristine and protected. Don't compromise on the safety and clarity of your device's screen. Elevate your Galaxy Z Fold 5's protection with reliable and high-quality Spigen tempered glass. The latest audio marvel from Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds is the perfect complement to your Galaxy Z Fold 5 for an immersive listening experience like no other. These truly wireless noise-cancelling earbuds stand at the forefront of innovation, delivering an astonishing sound quality with high-resolution audio that will transport you into a world of musical bliss. Designed with elegance and portability in mind, WF-1000XM5 earbuds are small, light, and visually striking, ensuring a perfect fit and ultimate comfort during extended listening sessions. Stay seamlessly connected with the integrated processor V2, guaranteeing smooth switching and strong Bluetooth signal, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted music and calls. Adaptive sound control takes center stage as AI dynamically adjusts the audio settings to match your surroundings, offering an optimal listening experience tailored to you. Designed for the everyday adventurer, these earbuds are water-resistant, ensuring that splashes and sweat won't hinder your enjoyment. Enjoy extended listening sessions with up to 8 hours of battery life, and with the charging case, you get an impressive of total 24 hours. Need a quick boost? Just 3 minutes of charging grants you an hour of captivating music. In a world where audio perfection meets environmental consciousness, the WF-1000XM5 earbuds are the epitome of sophistication and technology, elevating your auditory journey to new heights. So that was a list of the must-have accessories for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 that you should definitely check out. Which one would you go for? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.